So this is our entire project setup, and for our custom hardware we are using this ESP and also a relay here to control the appliance, and we are also using an ACS 7112 current sensor. It can measure current up to 20 amps, and we have connected this 24 watt LED bulb to the relay. And for our commercial IoT hardware we are using this smart switch here, and we have also connected another ACS 7112 sensor to measure the current, and also an ESP to send those data to the cloud. And for the commercial IoT hardware we have connected this 9 watt LED bulb. So first I will show the demo for the custom IoT hardware. So as you can see, we are using like two target images now, because like one target image will show the controls and the second target image will be showing the watt hour and current. And we design the app in such a way that like, both the target images can be like tracked simultaneously. So like since our hardware device is now off, so you can see the 24 watt LED is off. So currently the watt hour and current is showing 0. So I'm going to turn it on. For like turn it on, I'm going to use the touch button. So I'm pressing on now. So as you can see, the bulb is turned on now. So like I will click show data. So you can see the watt hour. So it's a 24 watt LED and 26 watt it's taking, because the ESP and the relay module is consuming around 2 watts, and the current is around 97 milliampere. So I'm going to now turn it off using the AR buttons. So I'll just bring my hand here and turn it off. So it's turned off, but the thing is that the data won't refresh automatically. So I need to like press show data again and again. So since I turned it off, it should go to 0. So I'm pressing show data. So it's now 0. So these two images are the target images for the commercial IoT hardware. So the commercial IoT hardware is turned on now, and it's connected to this 9 watt LED bulb. So since the device is off, it's showing 0 watt, the watt hour is 0 and the current is 0. So like I will turn it on using the touch button. So I'm pressing on. So as you can see, the bulb is now turned on. So I will click show data. Yeah, since it's a 9 watt LED, the watt hour is now it's showing 10. The commercial IoT consumes only 1 watt of energy, but our custom hardware consumes 2 watt, around 2 watts. So it's like energy efficient since it's a commercial product, and the current is around 35 milliamperes. So now I'm going to turn it off using the AR buttons. So I'm just press the AR button. So now it's turned off, the LED is turned off. So I'll again give show data. It will show 0 now. Yeah, since it's turned off, the watt hour and current is 0.